Punta kami sa park, guys. Lakad-lakad lang kami kasi magandang weather ngayon.
Is this the Nephilim?
And
Is the Nephilim family?
alas 6 pa lang dito. Alas 6 na dito pero ang taas pa ng araw. So, bale, ang haba ng araw ngayon dito sa UK. Lumulubog ang araw is around 9 p.m. So, kahit na tulugan na ng mga tao, maliwanag pa rin. So, yun guys, punta lang kami sa park. Samahan nyo kami.
Daddy, the zombies in Resident Evil 6. Daddy, the zombies in Resident Evil 6.
Malapit na tayo sa park, guys. Malapit na tayo sa park. So, bakasyon ng mga bata ngayon, guys. So, malamang may mga free.
Oh,
Let's see here. Dito uso, guys, sa mga bigayan, mga free. Let's see, be. It's free, ni. Come here, let's see. Maybe there's a nice books in here. Check a book.
It says knocked out by my Nungus. That's strange.
Check what we can get here.
I thought there's like a horror in it.
So everything free. Please take what you'd like. Please leave a back plastic box to do it. May mga puzzle.
Maybe the puzzle shed,
You can get the puzzle.
right?
Wait, there's another book.
May mga cups din.
Wait, I already got it.
No?
I already got it.
Okay.
What is that?
You like it?
Hey, wait.
Get one now. So,
Get one puzzle.
I already got one.
which one? Which book?
Despicable.
Where?
I've already got the Despicable.
Is anything nice there?
This is your face in there.
I think there are more before maybe they. Because I saw in the post. So yun nga guys, uso dito yung mga nagbibigay ng mga free na hindi nila kinakailangan, hindi na nila kailangan. I mean, so marami kaming nakuha dito guys. Marami kaming mga naharbat na mga gamit dito. Yung couch namin, alam niyo ba? Free lang yun, wala kaming binayaran doon. Tapos yung yung lamesa namin, free lang din yun. Kasi merong group dito sa village namin guys, ng mga nakatira dito. Tapos nagbibigay lang sila ng mga free, ng mga hindi nila ginagamit. Tapos isasend lang nila yung address nila, tapos pipick upin mo. Tapos yung mga plato guys, yung mga plato din namin, free lang din yun. Pero magaganda pa yung quality. Magaganda pa yung quality guys, as in bagong bago pa. So hindi namin kailangan bumili ng bago. So grateful kami, may mga ganong ganap dito. So ayun guys, lapit na kami sa park na yan guys. Kahabaan na yan, nadaan lang kami sa gate. Ayun, may mga nagpo-football. So ayun, may shortcut dito guys. Meron daan doon, pero malayo. So dito na lang kami. Can you help me? Ayan, so dito tayo guys. Ayan, playground siya.
Big kids around here.
Ayan, may mga
There's big kids around here. There's big kids. And I'm super duper.
Ayan siya guys, park dito. Peaceful dito guys. Tapos yun may mga pwede kang mag-walk ng mga aso dito guys. Ayan. So ayan. Ayan yung mag-ama ko guys.
Yeah, I remember. I remember you did this one too. I'm not gonna do it. If you make this, you get it. If you make this, you get it.
Okay guys. Ito guys, maraming pumupunta dito, naglalaro ng football or nag-walk ng mga dogs nila. Yan. Ang ganda, di ba? Minsan si Shiran at saka si Aman naglalaro ng football dyan sa loob ng football field. Pero walang naglalaro ngayon ata at maintenance ata. Parang may ginagawa. Ang ganda ng sunset. Oh.
Okay?
Hmm.
I bet you that I can beat you in a race. We're gonna start over here.
You and Daddy. I mean,
My dad, you wanna do a race?
okay, do it. Come on.
Daddy, wait, daddy.
Do the race.
Okay. On your mark.
Do the race.
No, like that. You sure about that, boy?
I'm sure. I can beat him easily.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay then. Show me what you got. Okay. Ooh, look,
Fist bump.
Daddy's
Come on.
Work it out.
stretching. Do some stretching first.
Okay.
Stretching. Okay. Stretching. Okay. Wow. Show me the muscle. Show me the muscle. One more. What kind of stretching is it? Okay. You need to reach that fence. Okay. That's not done yet stretching. On your mark. Ready. Steady. Go. Who won?
Yes.
You won?
Yes. Guess what? Hocus
Come
pocus.
on, I'll cook this.
Yeah, you cook
Alam nyo guys, may tatlong bata, mga teenagers. Kasi nakikita nila nagbi-video ako. So nag-approach sila sa akin. Sabi nila, "Hi, are you a YouTuber?" sabi ko, yeah, we have YouTube, but it's just like a family YouTube channel only. And then, so yeah, can we know the name? So sinearch nila dahil. Sabi ko, there's nothing much interested in our family.
He's already famous.
Sabi ko, there's nothing much interested in our family.
think-
But you can subscribe though. Doon yun, inano nila, kinuha nila yung subscribe, ay yung, yung channel. So, ay wala silang reception, sabi nila subscribe daw nila later. So, tingnan
Subscribers have
natin.
joined the
Ayan,
game.
nakatawa kami. Pakala nila famous Facebook, famous YouTuber kami. Anyway guys, nakakatawa lang. So, yun, uwi na kami guys kasi alas 7 na dito, mag-alas 8 na ng gabi, pero hindi halata kasi nga palubog pa lang ang araw. So, bibili lang kami ng sa grocery. Wala na kaming asin at gatas at tingin ng mga mabibili. Tapos, mag-dinner na kami. So, yun guys. Pauwi na kami guys. By the way guys, may sementeryo dito malapit. Ayan siya. Sarado siya ngayon guys. Pero yun nga, may cemetery siya dyan.
6-7.
Yeah, ito yung church nila dito guys. Holy Trinity. Ayan. May grave dyan guys. Hindi ko pa natatry magsimba dito. Pero yun nga, nagpaplano ko dating magsimba dyan guys. Kaso, Hindi ko alam, baka puro British kasi dyan. Tapos meron nga, may mga grave sa paligid. So, ayun. Hindi ako komportable. Mas gusto ko pa rin talaga sa simbahan na may Filipino, iba-ibang lahi. Mas gusto ko pa yun. Kasi ito puro British tao dito. So, ayun guys. And guys, tapos na kami mag-grocery. Uwi na kami. Medyo dumidilim na.